It's been over a year since NetherSX2 disappeared from the Google Play Store, leaving PS2 Emulator fans wondering if we'd ever see a proper replacement. But just when things seemed quiet, something unexpected dropped NetherSX2 Classic v2.0. This isn't just a random fork, it's a serious revival of the emulator we all loved, with updated patches, new features, and a fix that stops the Play Store from overwriting your install with older builds. So, in today's video, we're diving deep into what NetherSX2 brings to the table. I'll walk you through the setup, test out some classic PS2 games, and show you why this might just be the comeback NetherSX2 fans have been waiting for. So, what's actually new in this version? First off, the developer has added something really important: Play Store blocking. That means if you install this version, the Google Play Store will no longer be able to overwrite it with an older build, which used to happen to a lot of users. It also brings support for hardcore retro achievements, which allows players to unlock achievements in supported games without using save states or cheats, something the community has been asking for. The game DB has been rebuilt to improve compatibility. There's also an updated controller DB, making gamepad support smoother than ever. So this isn't just a clone, it's an upgraded, more polished version of NetherSX2, brought back by the community. Installing NetherSX2 Classic v2.0 is simple and safe. Let's install NetherSX 2.0. You no longer need to search for this app on third-party sites because it's now available on its official GitHub repository. The file is around 20 megabytes, so it won't take long to download. Once downloaded, simply tap to install it like any other APK. If this is your first time installing an APK manually, make sure to enable Install from Unknown Sources in your device settings. Now let's launch the app. We're going to see a welcome screen from this emulator. Just click on the next button and the next page is just going to give us some disclaimers and instructions. If you have time, you can read or click the next button. Now we are going to see the settings page. If your device is high configuration, at least Snapdragon 845, then you should select Optimal/Safe Default. If you have a low-end device, then select Fast.Unsafe Default. Enable the Expand to Cutout area to ensure the maximum screen area is utilized. Emulation screen orientation is Landscape, Aspect Ratio Stretch Fill Screen. UI language obviously English, API OpenGL or Vulkan. It's up to you. Upscale multiplayer means it will increase or decrease your native display resolution, but I prefer to use 2x. Now you can click on the next button. On the next page, they're going to ask you to import the BIOS file, which we have already downloaded. So just select Import BIOS over here and navigate to the PS2 folder where you've placed your BIOS files. This one over here corresponds to the US PS2 console. However, it won't make any difference if you're using a BIOS file from a different region. As you can see, our bin file has been imported. Click on Next button. Now it will ask you to select the directory or folder where you place the ROM file or ISO file of the game. So just click on the plus icon over here and navigate to your PlayStation 2 folder. Disclaimer: the emulator itself is legal, but using illegal ROMs is not. I do not support or provide access to pirated games. Please use legal copies for your own safety. Then click on Next button. Our primary setup is complete and you just want to click on Finish. You can see our games are now displaying in the game Liberty, and you can switch to List to Grid mode by clicking this icon. You can notice that Games has no cover. We have to upload the game cover, so click and hold on Game and you can upload the cover from here. Let's start a quick game. As you can see, the game is going to launch within the NetherSX2 PlayStation 2 emulator. At this point, I would recommend switching your device to landscape mode as it allows for much better gameplay. I am playing Burnout Revenge on NetherSX2. Enable Retro Achievements, which lets you to unlock achievements in supported PlayStation 2 games. The controller layout has also been refreshed, making gamepad support smoother and more responsive than ever before. For those who can't afford high-end emulators like RPCSX, NetherSX2 is the perfect alternative. That's it, guys. If you want to watch something like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Join our Discord server for any type of help. See you in the next video. Take care.